Hello, student. Welcome to Filo. Please respond.
Hi.
Can you hear? Hi. Yeah. So, what is the question?
Okay, so I do know how to do like the 10% rule with the trophic pyramids, but I forget
Okay.
how to like incorporate the
Mm,
average mass of like the American human type thing.
mm. Okay. Fine. Okay. If this trophic pyramid represents an acre of your ecosystem containing 20,000 kilogram of producer biomass, how many humans could be supported if the average mass of an American is 80.7 kilogram? Okay. Fine. Yeah. Let us try to do this. Anyway, do you know this 10% law?
Yes.
Okay, what this law is stating, could you please tell me?
So like since it has the 20,000, when it goes up each level, it goes away
Mm,
10%. So when you have it as the primary producer of 20,000,
mm,
the primary consumer would be
mm,
2,000. No,
mm.
yeah,
So
2,000. Yeah.
what is given in the question is that, see, the thing that is given in the question is that
Hmm.
20,000 kilogram of primary producer biomass is there in 1 acre, right?
Yeah.
So the biomass of the producers is given here. Do you understand? The
Yes.
biomass of the producer is given here as producer is given here as 20,000 kilogram
Hmm.
per acre. Right, that is in 1 acre, 20,000 kilogram is the biomass that is present
Okay.
there for the primary producers. Okay, and according to the Lindman's 10% law of energy, okay, energy means in the form of dry biomass. So you should understand that from the producer to the successive trophic levels, 10% will be getting transmitted, right?
Yeah.
Yeah, the producer will be taking 1% from the sun, from the solar energy, and it will be giving 10% to the next successive levels.
Yeah.
Okay, or in another way you can say that 90% of the energy is taken in by the producer and only 10% it is given to the next level. That is 90% will be lost, 10% alone is transmitted to the next level, right?
Yes.
Yeah. So you should understand that the primary consumers will be taking how much amount of biomass from this? Can you tell me?
Um, it'll have 2,000, right?
That is, yeah, 20,000 divided, sorry, 20,000 into 10 by 100,
Yeah.
right? So that will be giving you 2,000. So this is for which trophic level?
That's for primary consumer.
Yeah, primary consumer. Okay, after primary consumer, which is the next trophic level?
Secondary consumer,
Yeah. So
which
what will be the level? Yeah, secondary consumer. So what will be the energy level or that is consumed by the secondary trophic level? That
200.
will be 10% of the 2,000, right?
Yeah, so that would then be 200.
Yeah, that will be giving you 200. Okay. And let me ask you one thing. The humans will be coming where?
Mm-hmm.
Humans will be coming under which trophic level?
Isn't secondary consumer?
Hmm. Okay. So let me ask you, what are the primary consumers and what are the secondary consumers?
The primary consumers are that feed directly from the producers,
Hmm.
and then the secondary consumers,
Can you give me any example for the primary consumers?
like a grasshopper, a squirrel, or a
Yeah.
bird.
Hmm. Hmm.
Yeah. And
Hmm.
then
There.
secondary is an organism that eats primary consumers,
Hmm.
which can be like frogs and snakes.
Hmm. Okay. So what we can say for the humans, are the humans primary consumer, secondary consumer, or tertiary
They're
consumer?
secondary consumers.
Yeah, we can take humans as both primary and secondary consumers. Okay, sometimes we will be feeding on the plants directly, right?
Yeah.
Yeah, so we can include under both. But anyway, if you are taking it as a secondary consumer, let me see the question once again.
Okay.
If an average mass of an American is 80.7 kilogram, how many humans could be supported? Okay. So what is the energy that is reaching, or the biomass that is reaching the secondary trophic level? That is 200, right?
Yes.
200. And you see, if it is 200 and the mass of an average American is given as 87.7,
Yeah.
sorry, 80.7, right?
Yeah. 80.7.
80.7 kilogram is the average mass of a human. So 200 kilogram is that which is reaching the secondary consumer level, and 80.7 is the average weight of the American. So how can you find the number of humans who can support this much? How can you find now? Any idea? Just
Would
think.
you would you do 200 divided by
Very
80.7?
good. Very good.
Oh,
So do you
okay.
be kidding?
Which is 2.47.
Okay, 200 divided by 80.7, right? Yeah, 2.47. So that will be that can be the answer.
Oh, okay.
Is there any picture associated with this question?
No, there wasn't.
Okay, fine. In this topic, pyramid represents, and no picture is given there for a tropic
Mm,
pyramid.
no, we had to like make our own.
Okay, fine. No, if this tropic pyramid represents like, okay, fine. Okay, so this could be the answer. Do you
Yeah.
understand?
Yeah, that makes more sense. I think I just got like mixed up with my math because like my brain wasn't connecting with it.
Okay, fine. Okay, so secondary, we will take the humans mostly as the secondary consumer. We can include it under the primary consumer also.
Okay, yeah.
About that point, I'm also having a slight confusion, like where we should take the human beings. Mostly we'll be taking it as secondary consumer level. Okay, it can act as both primary and secondary consumers, but we can take it under. Hmm.
Okay. Yeah, well, because like if it
Yeah,
was,
and if you are taking it under the primary consumer level, you should just
yeah,
do with the 2000.
yeah, because that would be like for vegetarians.
Yeah.
Okay, yeah, that
Okay.
makes more sense.
Okay, dear. Thank you so much for calling. Any more doubts?
Thank you. I'm all good.
Okay. And if any more doubts, you can call me. And
Okay,
if you like the
perfect.
class, please give the rating accordingly.
Of course. Have a wonderful rest of your day.
Okay, dear. Bye. Have a nice day.
Bye.